my gosh!
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're not really doing all that much. I picked up a really nice pair of set of stock wheels last night, and I also picked up a factory Silvia grill for like 20 bucks, so that's good. I'm going to be putting that back on the car today. But for now I'm just going to be putting the stock wheels back on the car until I save for a nice set of 15s, and then getting this car off jack stands because it's sat here for way too long. After that, we're going to be driving the car over to Luke's, and then I'm going to be giving it a quick wash because it's so dirty at the moment, and having a quick catch up with Luke. So yeah, let's put the wheels back on the car and then yeah, go from there. Alright, so the front wheels are on. Looks pretty average, but I like the look of these polished stockies way better than the poor excuse for stockies back there. So even though the car looks bad, it's not going to look bad for long. I'm basically just keeping it like this until I can get a proper set of 15s. I basically don't want to run those terrible chrome XXRs that I had in the front. So now we're just going to take these stock ones off. They're just not as clean as the ones that I picked up last night. Then yeah, we'll probably have to go get some air in these tyres because they're a little bit soft. So we'll go around to the servo, we'll pump them up, and then we'll go around to my dad's shop and see if he's got any plastic polish for the grill, because it is actually quite yellow. I'll show you it in the sunlight. So if we come out here into the sun, you can see the yellowing that grill has. Pretty good condition for how much I bought it for. Hopefully we'll clean this up today and put it in. Okay, so the car's finally back on the ground. I'm just gonna go wash my hands and stuff, and then we'll go see Luke. So yeah, should be good to drive it for the first time. Alright, so this will be interesting because it's actually my first drive with the Nardi, and since we did the brakes, let's hope she starts. Straight up, look at that. Got our little speedometer there since mine doesn't work, and yeah, let's go get some air in these new tyres, and then yeah, go visit Luke. Feels nice. Wheel feels really nice, and brakes feel super good. Okay, so I just got to Luke's. The car actually doesn't look too bad on the stock wheels. I quite like how clean it looks. Obviously it's not going to stay like that for long. Just going to wash her, make her all shiny again so she doesn't have 1,000 layers of dust on her. And then we'll go have a look at Luke's secret stash. Alright, so there's actually residue from a bunch of stickers that were previously on the car. You can't really see it, but you can kind of see here. It's all crusty. There's remainder of a sticker there, some more crusty stuff, and then on the back window there's also some more sticker residue right here. And so we're just going to get that off before we give the car a quick wash. You start on that chrome one and this filthy one here. See it?
Is that like faded on the inside?
Oh, I think so. Oh wait, yeah, it is.
Sleek as spares.
What the hell? How does that happen? That's weird.
Yeah.
I've never seen that happen before. She's all clean, but it started raining. I'm really happy to be driving this thing again. Shouldn't be too much longer until everything's sorted. Just need to get the exhaust fixed. Need to realign the front end because the headlights and shit don't line up too well. Need to get some OEM corner lights And then should be a pretty clean little car. What do you say we go look at the stash, mate?
Oi, oi, keep it loose.
Here they are. Like special goodies. Oh, they're mint. Oh, is this the one that came with the stand?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it. That's so mint.
Yeah, they're nice and clean. So that one's the crusty one.
That one cleaned up so well, but
Yeah. It's still pretty dirty, but.
still feels good.
And that one as well. That one was like, in the photos it looked pretty bad, but it came up alright.
Yeah, the leather feels nice as.
And this one's pretty good.
Is that... Oh.
So it's just,
So Luke actually picked up a Nardi that came with this dealership display stand, and I've never seen that before, ever. So that's really cool. Picked that up, and then this is the wheel that came on the stand. It's like brand new condition. What size is this? 360?
yeah.
Yeah. Brand new condition with horn button. With that stand. Crazy.
For sale.
Yeah. Hit Luke up if you want to buy any. Black Classic to Silver Center Classics, both, or all of them are 36, aren't they? Oh, 3, yeah, including that one. All in various conditions. Hit Luke up if you want to buy one. So we're all finished up now. She came up pretty nice. She's nice and shiny again. Stock wheels actually look nice on it for once. Yeah. I think it's cool. It's like a little time capsule now. Just ignore the misaligned front end. The damaged Nismo bar there. Did that at track. Came off, but I'll get it fixed. It's part of it. Thanks for the wash, mate.
It's all good.